So today we are going to be learn the one of the equation of line is in the form of, that is the equation of line in slope intercept form. So what is the equation of line in a slope intercept form is, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So here m is the slope and c is what, that is your the y intercept. So that is how we are going to be prove this one is, this is a 0, this is a, this is a b, and this one is a what, this is a, we are going to be take this one as the length, it as the what is the c, this is what 0 comma c, and this is what x comma y. So again that how we are going to be find out, that is the equation of line in now we are going to be apply the formula that equation of line in a slope point form. So what is the formula for equation of line in slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1, that is y minus y1, this is a x1 y1. So here this is having y1 is, that is c, and m x minus 0, x1 is 0 here, that is y minus c is equal to mx. So now I am going to take this minus c to the RHS side, then it is what, y is equal to mx plus c. So this is what the equation of line in a slope intercept form. So here y intercept is what, c is called what, that is y intercept. C is what here, the y intercept, that you have to be remind. Okay, so there is a one example we are going to be solve. To find the equation of line whose y intercept is minus 2 and the slope is 3 by 2 they have given. So we are going to be write its contents, that is slope is nothing but 3 by 2, that we are going to be denoted by the m, and y intercept is nothing but the c, that is minus 2. So already what we have to find out, we have to find the equation of line. So that we have the formula with the slope and the y intercept, that is y is equal to mx plus c, then y is equal to m is how much, that is a 3 by 2 x plus of minus 2, that is y is, so here we are going to take the LCM of the two, that is going to be multiply here, and we are taking to the LHS, that is 2y is equal to 3x, this is plus into minus is again minus, 2 to the 4, that is 3x, take this 2y to the RHS, 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is what you are the equation of line they are you are going to be find out. So this is how, by giving the slope and the y intercept, we can find out for the what, the equation of line. This is the what, very simple example they have been asked in the textbook. Okay, so next we are going to be find out, by using the equation of line, how we are going to be find out for the what, the slope, x intercept and y intercept, and by using the general form of equation of line, how we are going to be convert in the form of the slope intercept as well as the normal form of the equation of line. Okay, so already we know that the general form of the equation of line is, that is ax plus by plus c. So on this concept they might be asked it for the 1 marks question, that they are going to be give the general form of equation of line, and they have said us to find that how to find out for the slope as well as x intercept and the y intercept for the 1 marks. So many times they have been asked in the question paper also. So how to find out for the slope? So slope, even though you can denote it by the, how to find out for the slope is minus a divided by b, that is coefficients of x by coefficients of b with negative, that is minus a by b. Then how to find out for the x intercept? X intercept is, that is minus c by a, that is constant divided by the coefficients of the x, that is your x intercept, and y intercept is, that is minus c divided by b. So this is how the formula for the what, the slope as well as x intercept and the y intercept, by using the what, the how to find, by using the general form of equation of line, we are going to find out for the slope, x-intercept and the y-intercept. So now we are going to solve some basic examples on it. So now there is one example. Write the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept of the lines. So the first equation of line, what they have given, root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So already we know that how to find out for the slope. So first we are going to write out its contents, that is what is the a, what is the b and c. So here the a is what, that is a is root 3, b is 1, c is 2. So already we know that how to find out for the slope. Slope, we have the formula minus a divided by b, that is a is root 3 divided by 1 is, that is what you get it as, minus root 3. So the next one is x-intercept. How we are going to be find out for the x-intercept is minus c by a. C is what, that is 2, minus 2 divided by a is root 3. Then how to find out for the y-intercept, that is a minus c divided by b. What is a, again minus 2 divided by 1 is, that is minus 2. So this is what, how to find out for the what, the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. So the next one example we have, the second one, that is 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here first we are going to write out its contents, that is a is what, 0, b is what, 4, c is already minus 3, because we don't have in this equation of line is ax. So how to find out for the again slope, write down the formula minus a by b, that is 0 by any number is again 0. Then x-intercept is, that is minus c divided by a, that is minus of minus 3 divided by 0, that is nothing but infinite. Any number divided by 0 is again infinite. Then the next one is about the y-intercept. Y-intercept is minus c divided by b, that is minus of minus 3 divided by 4, that is nothing but 3 by 4. So this is nothing but your y-intercept. Now I am giving one more example that you have to solve, and you have to send me the picture of this one. So after this class I am going to give some examples. So along with this you have to give the what, your answer sheet to my personal number that you have to send me, that the work I have been given, that is 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. So there you have to find out for the slope, the x-intercept as well as the y-intercepts. So next we are going to be we are going to solve the next example. So here they have given one example. Reduce the following equation into slope-intercept form and find their slopes and y-intercept. So we have to convert first in the form of the intercept form, slope-intercept. So what is the slope-intercept form of equation of line is, that is y is equal to mx plus c, and we have to find out the slope as well as its y-intercept. Okay. So here they have given x plus 7y, that we have to be converted into the form of what, y is equal to mx plus c. First we keep the 7y as it is, and I will send this x to the RHS, then it is becoming minus x. Then y is equal to minus x by 7 we have. It is the what, y is equal to minus x by 7. So what we have to do, we have to convert it into the slope intercept form. So slope intercept form means that it should be formed in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx. What is em? Em denotes the slope and c denotes the, that is y intercept. So now it is in which form? First what we do, x plus 7y is equal to 0. We have been kept that 7y as it is, and we have taken that x to the RHS side, then it is becoming negative. Then along with y, whatever the multiple we have to take it to the RHS. Then here it is a multiple with this 7 is multiple with the y, and when it goes to the RHS, then it is becoming to the denominator. Then it is what, y is equal to mx, the y-intercept is what, 0. So here what is the value of m? M is nothing but minus 1 by 7. minus 1 by 7 is mx plus c. So the y-intercept is what? 0. So now again I am going to take one more example, that is the second one. 6x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the general form of equation of line. Now what we have to do, we have to convert it into the, again in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Now here what we have to do, we have to keep this 3y to the as it is, and we have to send the other terms to the RHS. Now I kept the 3y as it is. When this 6x is going to the RHS, then it is becoming minus 6, and minus 5 when it goes to the RHS, then it is becoming plus 5. Then still it is not in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, because 3 is multiple with the y. Again I am going to take this 3 to the RHS, then it is becoming common divisor to the both terms. Then it is y is equal to minus 6 by 3 x plus 5 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2s are, that is y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 by 3. So now it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So the slope is how much? Slope is minus 2, and y-intercept is, that is a 5 by 3. So this is how we are going to be convert the equation of line in slope-intercept form. And even though we have been find out for the what, the slope as well as the y-intercept, the next one, the third one, is having y is equal to 0. This one you have to do it as the homework, that you have to be converted into the y-intercept, then slope, then y-intercept, that you have to be find out. The one more example we have, that is a 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. That we have to convert it. This is the what, the homework for, one more homework for the what, we have to be converted into the y-intercept and slope-intercept form of equation of line, and we have to be find out its slope and y-intercept. So these two are the examples for you that you have to be solved, and you have to send me its picture. The next one, the type of the example we are going to be found, that is reduce the following into intercept form and find their intercepts on the axis. So what is the intercept form of equation of line is, that is x by a, y by b is equal to 1. Then what a and b indicates, a is x-intercept and b is y-intercept here. Is it? Already we have been learned, and this theorem is having for the 5 marks, that is the intercept form of equation of line for the 5 marks. This year they have been asking the what, the question paper. Okay, so now we have to be convert this general form of equation of line into the what, the intercept form. So now what is the general form they have given? 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so here in the intercept, the RHS, the constant, is always 1. Now first what we have to do, we have to take the constant term to the RHS, because we have to get it as the what, now it is what, minus 12. When we take it to the RHS, then it is becoming plus 12. Now to becoming this one, term it as the 1, what we have to do, we have to divide it by the 12. But not only to the RHS term we have to divide it by the 12, as well as to the LHS we have to be divided by 12. Now the whole term, divide it by the what, 12. See, this is 3x by 12 plus 2y by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. Now 3 ones are 3, 4s are 2 ones are 2, 6 are, then it is 1, then it is what, x by 4 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. Okay, then what is x-intercept here is, that is 4. Then what is y-intercept here is, that is 6. So this is how we have been convert the general form of equation of line into the intercept form of the equation of line, and then we have to find out for the x-intercept as well as the y-intercept. Very simple, that how to convert this general form of equation of line into the intercept form of equation of line, that when they given the general form of equation of line, take that first the constant term to the RHS, and the same constant term, the LHS and RHS is going to be divisible, then easily we can find out for the x-intercept and the y-intercept. The next one example we have, the second one I'm going to solve here. 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. So here again we have to be convert it into the the intercept form of equation of line. Already we have that the constant term in the RHS, then to becoming this one RHS, it has the 1. What we have to do, the LHS and RHS is again divisible by the 6, that is 4 by 6x minus 3 by 6y is equal to 6 by 6. 2 1s 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 by 6. Then it is a 2 by 3x minus y by 2 is equal to 1. But still it is not in the intercept form, because we have to get it by x by a. Now it is a ax in the form of, next take this 2 to the denominator, then it is becoming x divided by 3 by 2 minus y by 2 is equal to 1. Now we get in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Plus is not so mandatory, but we can take that, you can plus and then minus of minus y by 2 you can write. Okay, the next intercept is what? That is 3 by 2. Y-intercept is y-intercept is what? That is minus 2. So this is what, how we have been convert the general form of equation of line into the intercept form of equation of line. The next one I will give it as the homework for you. The next one is having, that is third one, 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now convert this general form of equation of line into the x-intercept. Here if you have not the ax, then x-intercept always you get it as the what? The 0. The clue I have been given it already. Okay, so this is what the end of the examples. In the next class we are going to be study that how to convert the general form of equation of line into the normal form of equation of line. Okay, so here I have given some 2-3 examples that you have to be solved in home, and you have to be send me its picture, the solution of the solution you have to be send me in the picture. If you have any queries, then you can ask me through the call or by text also. So by pausing the video you have to note down the notes as well. Okay, so thank you very much.